If you want to upload your own video in Google Slides, then first you need to upload the video to Google Drive so that you can import it in Google Slides. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go around and access my Google Drive first. And once I go to Google Drive, I'm going to go around and upload my video which I want to upload. So I'm just going to go around and then go around into File, Upload. And there I'm just going to go around onto my TutorTube drive right here, and then I'm going to select a video that I want to upload. So I'm just going to go to my first edit right here, and on videos there's San Francisco video right here. So I'm just going to open that out. So now it is being uploaded, as you can see, on my Google Drive, and it has completed uploading. This will totally depend on your internet connection. So I'm just going to go around and close Google Drive now. So in order to insert the video that we uploaded, we have to click on Insert, and then we have to click on Video. So now once we go to Google Drive, you will be able to see the video right here, which is still being processed. So it might take some time for it to actually show as a preview. So I'm just going to select this, and what happens is that the video gets inserted, as you can see right here. And you have the playback options over here on the right. So I can go around and you can see that you have the preview option over here on the right. And if you were to go around onto present mode, so let's just go around onto present mode, you'll be able to play around the video right here, just like this in your presentation slide, as you can see that. I'm just going to exit that around right here, and there you go. Here are some options over here on the right as well to adjust on how you want the video to actually play back and see and to format it as well. So that is how you can insert a video from Google Drive inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.